The next iPhone 15 series will use USB-C connectors instead of Apple's proprietary Lightning connector, as a result of EU regulations that mandate that all handsets be introduced in the region with a Type-C connection type. Apple is carrying out its plans, but a recent leak suggests that the company may be going all out by offering the most recent standards and quick transfer speeds. According to a tip by Charging Lab, there are new live photographs of the PCB board and USB-C connector on the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, and 15 Pro Max. The publication has also made some revelations based on the information they were able to gather from these images. For example, all free iPhone 15 models appear to have the same USB-C socket hardware, which is surprising because it includes a retimer chip, which the publication claims is typically found in devices with a USB 4 or Thunderbolt spec USB-C port. This chip ensures stability for high-speed transmissions and a smooth transfer between longer distances, all of which point towards the EPO. The iPhone 14's USB 2.0 port can only transfer data at a maximum rate of 480 megabytes per second. It would not be surprising if Apple restricted the use of these ports to its MFI program, which permits only specific accessory makers certified by Apple to develop compatible products. Thunderbolt or USB 4 specification, on the other hand, will allow the iPhone 15 series to have wired data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits each second, which is on par with high-end tablets and laptops that feature the same hardware. This would imply that, unless it is an MFI-certified cable, your ordinary USB 4 or Thunderbolt-supported cords might not fully utilize the fast transfer speed and other capabilities. It's important to note that another usual Apple move would be to gatekeep the speed developments by making them accessible only when using official accessories. Sure enough, back in February, we noticed that the iPhone 15's USB-C port will be programs locked to limit both data and charging speeds when not attached to Wi-Fi cert. However, you continue to be able to charge your new iPhone with most USB-C cables, which is advantageous and cost-saving in the long run for most users. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.